Good morning everyone. You all are welcome to Canopy online classes. Today we study chapter 2 of your class. Which class? 5th class. Chapter 2 of your MD book. Which name was The Wise Judge. Which name is The Wise Judge. Wise means what? Wise means intelligent. Wise means intelligent. Okay. What is the meaning of wise? Wise means intelligent. So who was the intelligent in this story? The judge. Who? The judge. Okay, let's start our story or our chapter. One day a poor washerman loaded a bundle of laundered clothes on his back and started up. He had to go from one village to another, return the washed clothes and to pick up other clothes to be washed. He was too poor to keep a donkey, so he had to carry the load on his aching shoulder. Merely means only, aching means painful. So, once a day, what happened? In a village, a poor people or a poor person was lived, and he was a what? He was a washerman. He was a washerman, and he what? He carry. Okay, he carry some dirty clothes and go to the town. Okay, see, or he carry some dirty clothes and come to his village. From where? From the town, and then clean it. Then again he carry it and go to the town. Okay, then he has no donkey. He has no donkey to carry the clothes. Then what he do? He carry the clothes. Where? He carry the clothes with his aching shoulder. Aching means painful. Ache means pain. Okay. So his painful shoulder. At the day's stress on, the washerman grew tired and sat down on rest. Then the time later, then he just tired. He just tired and sat down. Okay, sat down a side of mountain or a rock. Then what happened? Then when he sat or he rested, heavy bundle of cloth as a large rock and fell asleep in the sand. He was shaken out of his sleep by a thunderous clattering and hoops of a shower of stone. So, what is thunderous and clattering? Thunderous and clattering is a heavy sound. Thunderous and clattering means a heavy sound. When he sleep under the side of a rock. Okay, then a sound is coming. Then which sound? Thunderous or clattering means a heavy sound was coming. Then what happened? Then the washerman wake up. What happened? Then he saw that. What happened? Then he saw that many stones. Okay, many big stones and the kettle of oil. What? Kettle of oil are through. And what happened? Then he saw an oil merchant and a donkey rushing downhill. The merchant was trying to make his donkey walk fast. Despite the load of its bag, the donkey was slipped and loose stones and sent the washerman's bundle rolling downhill along with his jar of oil that came off its back. So, when he wake up, when the washerman wake up, he saw that a merchant was there. A merchant means businessman. Merchant means businessman. Merchant means what? Merchant means what? Businessman. Okay. So he saw a merchant and saw a donkey. Okay. Whose donkey? What? Carry some oil. What? Oil containers. Okay. So the merchant was what? The merchant was try to his donkey walk faster. The merchant was try to his donkey walk faster. Then when the donkey walked faster, what happened? The donkey was slipped. The donkey was asleep, and the oil containers, all the oil containers fell in the ground, and one oil container, that is fell on the bundle of clothes. On the bundle of clothes of whom? Bundle of clothes of the washerman. Then the washerman and the oil merchant got into a big argument. Argument means what? Argument, fighting. Okay. So the washerman and the oil merchant got into a big argument. At that fight went on, a crowd of curious, ideal people collected around them. The crowd was okay. So then what happened when these things are happen? The oil merchant and the washerman fighting with each other or arguing with each other. Then near the people, near some people are gathering there and saw their fight. At last one man said that why you are fighting, why you are arguing. So let's go to near the headman of our village. Headman means Jamidar, or who? The head of our village, or head of a village. Headman means head of a village. So a person said that let's go to near the headman. Then they all are go to the headman. Then the headman or the Jamidar क्या बोला कि what he said? He said yes. What happened? Then the merchant and the washerman talk about the whole thing which was happened to both of them. Then what happened? Then listen to them. The headman decide. Okay, I will decide, and I just ask to the donkey. I will ask to the donkey what happened. मैं donkey से पूछूंगा क्या हुआ है. Then they come to the king's court. King's court means Raj Darbar. Then they come to the come back to the king's court. Then what happened? Then all are excited to know all are excited to know what is or which fault is this, or which fault is this, कौन दोषी है, सब जानने के लिए पूरा बेताब है. Then the king said, what he said? तुमको इतना बेताब हो रहे हो तुम लोग जानने के लिए मैं डोंकी को क्या पूछूंगा, क्या होगा. जब उन लोग फाइटिंग कर रहे थे, तुम लोग ऐसे देख रहे थे. हाँ, तुम उधर क्या ड्रामा चल रहा था जो तुम ऐसे देख रहे थे? फ्री में देख रहे थे. हम कुछ मूवी ड्रामा कुछ देखने जाने से क्या करते हैं, उसका पेड करते हैं. तो फ्री में जो देख रहे थे उसका पे करो, अभी पे करो जाके. किसको? टू whom? To the guards. Then the king said, what are the king? Sorry, not the king, the headman. The headman of the village said, go and pay to the guard. What you see, go and pay to the guard. Then they all are going and pay to the guards. Then जितना भी उनके पास मनी कलेक्ट हुआ, किसके पास? गार्ड के पास. वो क्या गार्ड से लेके हेडमैन क्या किए? वाशरमैन को कुछ डोनेट कर दिए और मर्चेंट को कुछ दे दिए. क्यों? वाशरमैन का जो कपड़ा वेस्ट हो गया था उसको वो नया खरीद सके और एक डंकी खरीद सके. एंड वो मर्चेंट को क्यों दिए? उनका एक जो ऑयल का डिब्बा, ऑयल का कंटेनर जो खराब हो गया था, जो खत्म हो गया था, उसको वो भरपूर कर सके. So what we learn from this story? We must help people and solve their problems. What is the moral value of the story? We must help people. Okay, don't run away from them. The moral value of the story is we must help people and solve their problem. Okay, so we must help people and solve their problem. Yes, and not watch them suffer. हमको देखने, अगर कोई मुसीबत में है उसको जाके फटाक से हमको हेल्प करना चाहिए, ऐसे देख के एंजॉय नहीं करना चाहिए. ओके, देन द सेकेंड मोरल वैल्यू ऑफ द स्टोरी इज बीइंग जस्ट मीन्स ट्रीटिंग एवरीवन इन ए फेयर मैनर. सबको फेयर मैनर से, सही से हमको उसको ट्रीट करना चाहिए. देन देखो आपका इधर एक है, जैन एडम्स बोले हैं ट्रू पीस इज नॉट मियरली द एब्सेंस ऑफ वॉर, इट इज द प्रेजेंस ऑफ जस्टिस. सो ट्रू पीस, ट्रू मीन्स सच्चाई, पीस मीन्स शांति. ओके, ट्रू पीस क्या है? इट इज नॉट ओनली द एब्सेंस ऑफ वॉर. ये झगड़े को या नेगेटिविटी को बंद करना बस नहीं है. इट इज ए व्हाट? इट इज द प्रेजेंस ऑफ जस्टिस. ट्रू इज द प्रेजेंस ऑफ जस्टिस. ये न्याय के क्या? ट्रू न्याय का देवता है. ओके, सो वी शुड मस्ट और वी मस्ट हेल्प पीपुल एंड सॉल्व देयर प्रॉब्लम, नॉट रन अवे फ्रॉम देयर प्रॉब्लम. दिस इज कंप्लीट योर स्टोरी. देन कम टू द एक्सरसाइज. पेज नंबर 13. See, page number 13. Where was the washerman going? Where was the washerman going? The washerman was going to where? Going to the town. The washerman was going to the town. For what? For collect some dirty clothes. For clean that. What woke the washerman from his sleep? What did he see? Thundering, clattering sound woke to whom? Woke the washerman from his sleep. What did the village headman decide after hearing about the two men? क्या डिसाइड किए? खुद लिखना. ओके, ये सब तुम खुद ही पहले ट्राई करना, नहीं आएगा तो बाद में बताऊंगी. Then complete this sentence. The washerman went to sleep. क्यों sleep सोने गया? Because he was tired. The washerman woke up because he listened a thunder or clattering sound. Okay, then matching. C number. Washerman what? Washerman tired. Donkey what? Donkey. Sorry. Then headman wise and just. Bundle of cloth has soiled. Then donkey oil cans ले रहा था. Washerman tired हो गया था. Headman soil हो गया था. Then bundle of cloth has, sorry, headman wise and just था and bundle of cloth has soil हो गया था. Wise and just means, wise means intelligent, just means न्याय. Okay, न्याय. Then this is things to do. ये खुद आपको करना है, पढ़ना है. How many students did not get any? How many? इसको आपको करना है घर में बैठ के. ये कैंडी, कुकी, ये सब के बारे में दिया गया है. ये जस्ट एक फन थिंग है, ये एक्सरसाइज नहीं है, ये जस्ट एक फन थिंग है. इसको आपको करना है. और यहाँ पे भी कुछ दिया है आपको, देखो. At a salon a number of customer, what hairdresser to attend to them first. ओके, सो इसको भी आपको सिचुएशन, एक सिचुएशन दिया गया है. ये पेज में आपको एक सिचुएशन दिया गया है. ये सिचुएशन में आपको क्या करना चाहिए, वो क्या करना चाहिए, नहीं आपको क्या करना चाहिए, इसमें आपको लिखना है. ओके, so this is all about your story. What? The story is The Wise Judge. Okay, so these are your hard word, and you definitely copy it in your coffee. Okay, so you just when you study or when you see this video, you just open your copy, open your notebook. Okay, so you just copy it and look this chapter in your video and study this hard word. Okay, and who has no book copy, our counter will open. Okay, open all day 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Okay, and stay blessed, stay happy, घर में रहो, अच्छे से पढ़ो, खुश रहो, बाय. Okay.